Your agency built a beautiful framework site but has zero conversion tracking, no GTM, no GA4, no conversion events reaching Google Ads or Meta. In this video, I will show you the complete tracking setup for Framer from GTM installation to server-side conversions. Hi, I am Zubayer, Marketing Attribution, Conversion Tracking and Server-Side Tracking Specialist. Framer is growing fast but zero tracking tutorial exists for it on YouTube. Today, I'll fix that. Step 1. Install GTM on Framer. In Framer, go to Site Settings, General, Custom Code. Paste your GTM head snippet in the start of head section. Paste your body snippet in the end of body section. Click Save, then publish the site. GTM does not fire until after you publish. Important, Framer's preview mode runs in a sandbox environment. Always test on the actual live published URL, never on the Framer canvas preview. Verify with GTM preview mode. Step 2. Framer form submission tracking. Framer forms animate to success rather than reloading. Standard form triggers in GTM will not detect this. Framer fires a custom event instead. Create a custom HTML tag on all pages to listen for it. This script pushes the lead data to the data layer. Then create a custom event trigger in GTM where the event name equals Framer underscore form underscore submit. Step 3. Framer CMS tracking. If your site uses Framer CMS for dynamic pages, don't worry. Conversion events can still be tracked normally. GTM fires on all CMS pages just like static pages. If you need CMS specific data, use GTM data layer variables reading from the page's meta tags. Step 4. GCL ID and UTM capture. Create a GTM custom HTML tag on all pages for attribution capture. This script will capture JIGLED, BIGLED and UTM parameters into first-party cookies for 90 days. Step 5. Connect GA4 to STEP and create server tags. Update your GA4 configuration tag server URL. Point your GA4 tag to your STEP custom domain. Then create a GA4 event tag for the lead event. Set the event name to generate underscore lead and include parameters like event underscore ID, email and attribution IDs. In STEP, create server-side tags for Google Ads Meta CAPI and GA4 all triggering on that lead event. Step 6. Klaviyo form tracking on Framer. Many Framer sites embed Klaviyo forms for email capture. Create a custom HTML tag listening for the Klaviyo embed event to push signups to the data layer. Now let's verify. Visit your live Framer URL in GTM preview mode and submit your form. Verify Framer underscore form underscore submit fires with email and attribution data in GTM preview. Check STEP server preview. Verify the generate underscore lead event reaches the server and all tags fire. Finally, check GA4 debug view to verify the event appears with the correct parameters. You now have complete conversion tracking that bypasses ad blockers and captures full attribution data. If your agency builds on Framer and needs tracking set up properly, message me on WhatsApp or book a free audit. Subscribe for weekly tracking tutorials. Don't scale ads with broken tracking. Fix the infrastructure first. Track revenue, not just clicks. In 2026, the businesses winning are the ones who fix their tracking first.